The first vaccine was developed in 1796 by Edward Jenner. The first vaccine was developed against smallpox. This occurred because Edward Jenner made the observation that milkmaids, who had previously been infected with a very similar disease, a less severe disease called cowpox, were actually showing protection from getting smallpox. The principle behind vaccinations is that a disease can be prevented if you expose the subject to a milder form of the disease-causing agent. Also, interestingly, the term vaccine comes from the term variola vaccine, which means smallpox of the cow. Initially, the terms vaccine and vaccination were used exclusively for smallpox, but in 1881, Louis Pasteur proposed that the definitions of these terms, vaccine and vaccination, be broadened to include all of the newly created vaccines in honor of Edward Jenner. Thank you for watching.